Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we have another Diamond Select statue. This one is of Nightwing. Enjoy the box roll. Alright guys, now on to the unboxing. So this specific piece has a cover on the front where you can see that nice design of Nightwing himself. Kind of neat. This statue is I believe it's only a Target exclusive. I think there was only a couple. Was it Target or GameStop? I think it's GameStop. Sorry. But yeah, I think Diamond Select Toys released a couple only GameStop exclusives, and this piece is one of them. This PVC diorama of Nightwing, aka Dick Grayson, is based on his appearance in the DC comics. The statue is made of high-grade plastic. This particular piece is designed by Joe Allard and sculpted by St. Jean. First impressions, the stand looks pretty cool and that blue looks killer. Alright guys, so here is Nightwing unboxed. This looks pretty good, not gonna lie. Right off the bat, although it is super light. It's a big base, but again, hollow. It looks like he is standing on a clock tower. You can see the clock here, the dial. You know, Nightwing's suit has always been kind of neat. You know, all black with this nice hint of blue. This blue is freaking awesome. Here's a close-up of his face. You see his mask, his hair flowing in the wind. Then you see his choice of weapon. I might screw this up. It's his Eskrima sticks. He's got both of them in hand. Then at the very tip, you can see, you know, the electric charge tips. It's kind of neat touch. But yeah, this looks freaking good. I got this piece at eBay. I got it for a deal. I actually got this one and a Green Lantern piece, both for $70. Which I'll be reviewing the Green Lantern one tomorrow. But yeah, I'll see if I can. I'll post the eBay link down in the description below. See if they're still available. But let's see, size of this piece. Right. What do we got? Like up to the arm. I would say around 9.5. Then you got the base. You got roughly 4x4, I would say. But yeah, this piece looks good, guys. Yeah, overall I'm pretty happy. Alright guys, like, comment, subscribe. See you in the next one. Peace.